welcome back to another series there, Herb. Plans have changed. We were going to head out tomorrow, do some proppies, get loose, show you how to do proppies. We've got Herb coming down, weather's good, we're going to head out wide, we've got no plans. Hey, Herb!
Fuck you, Herb.
Shit, Herb. Shit, I missed it. Look at that there, Herb. I don't know if you can see it. Look. Crabs fell out of Herb's pants. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Woo-hoo! Oh, I touched him! Fuck! He touched me! Look at that! Oh! Oh, that was amazing, Herb. I had my hand near the water and he just come up with his fin and just went straight over my hand. Unbelievable. Hey, love this shit, Herb. Hey, that's what it's all about. Herb.
Yeah.
shit itself. Herb's going to have to wind it up 200 metres. How do you feel about that, Herb? Hello. Big conger eel, massive. Yeah, Herb.
Fuck,
Disappointed about that there, Herb. Pretty disappointed. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Yeah!
Okay,
Woo!
we got the drift here.
Shit, yeah, Herb. Yeah, boy. Stevens Island, Herb. Yep, you cannot go onto that island. It's got tuatara on it. So, and they've got a cable car there. Someone lives on there. They've got a cable car, if you can see up there. And yeah, they take all their groceries and beer, ice beer, of course, up to the top. There's a house up there. Yeah, there's a bit of view there. It's where the cable car take their groceries up there, their beer. Holding hands. Look, they're having a cuddle on the couch. Not too early for a beer, is it?
No.
Never too early. Oh, Herb is a little bit tired. Love crappies! Yeah, this is what we've got. This is our catch there, Herb. Yeah, well, Herb, we had a little bit of a balls up. Old Herb put the GoPro on time lapse when Herb went for a dive. So we had 11 minutes of pictures, so it was a bit of a balls up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and put something together. I'm going to most probably look through it, flick through the pics, see what I can come up with, and hopefully I can come up with something good for you, Herb. So yeah, a bit disappointed about that, Herb. Yeah, but as you can see, good day out.